NIST, the US National Institute of Standards and Technology, published the public draft of version 2.0 of their cybersecurity framework. This is a replacement for the current decade-old standard. In the software world, a version bump translates into significant new features and breaking changes. What does CSF 2.0 bring you? The changes in the framework recognize the growing threat cybersecurity has become for everybody. Hence, it expanded from protecting just critical infrastructures like hospitals and power plants to providing cybersecurity guidance for all organizations, regardless of type or size. A notable addition is the govern function, which supplements the existing pillars: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Govern aims to bolster organizational understanding of cybersecurity governance, encompassing strategy, policies, and processes. To win the modern cyber battles, organizations need to respond holistically as a single body. This new function has a chance of supporting that. Moreover, the enhanced guidance on implementing the CSF, particularly in profile creation, emphasizes its applicability. A unique feature of this framework is its collaborative development. It's shaped by its very users, cybersecurity professionals. While NIST is US-based, global input has been significant. Workshops saw participation from over 100 countries, and numerous feedback was received during public consultations. On the internet, the wild world is a digital village where you can help anybody. Also, you can be attacked by anybody. The full episode is on 505updates.com. Olimpiu Pop reported from Transylvania, Romania.